Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be playing some Subway Surfer because today I was bored. I was like, I should probably record, but I haven't been recording for a while. So I just said we should probably play some old game, and so I thought about Subway Surfer, and yeah, like the app I showed you. Wait, I gotta put the app I showed you. This one. I'll be showing. I'll be telling you guys how you can download this app. So yeah, and from that app, I got the hacked version on this. So look, wait, looks like the violin doesn't want to work, but whatever. Okay, so I'm just gonna die real quick. Okay. Some reason I don't know how, but okay. Okay, so as you can see, I got the hacked version. Look how many keys I have, and look how many coins I have. See? And me and my top run is this is my top run for now. So yeah, I can basically just get anything I want. Like I can collect any rewards. I don't know why the volume isn't working, but okay. It doesn't matter. Well, it doesn't matter, but whatever. Okay, so go here. Characters, yeah. But I'm gonna get all the ones I can get. I'm gonna buy that. Buy that. Got all that. Okay. I'll buy that. Buy that. Buy that. I can literally buy all this. Right now, look. I mean, I have lots of keys. So yeah, I'm gonna do this just to finish this up. So, yeah, I'll do the rest. Well, might as well just finish it off. Okay, I'm gonna buy this. So it's so I have most of these now. And see, I have most of them. Well, I'm gonna get all of them. I'm gonna just buy them all. Okay. This is the most expensive it's got. 100 keys. 120. Okay. Some of these characters look weird. I don't really like the characters. So yeah, it's official. I got all of the characters. Now all I need is all the boards, which I'm gonna do next time. Ooh, gift. What's this? Okay, what is about this? Well, I'm gonna sell this one. That one doesn't really help. But whatever. Legit, I can just buy whatever I want. Cause I have quite a lot of money, so there's basically I can spend a lot of money. So yeah, like I said, I got the hacked version, so I haven't. I played this game quite for when I was small. I played this game addicting, but like I said, I was bored and then I wanted to play an old game, so the first thing that came up to my mind was this game. So yeah. Oh yay! I'm gonna save myself. Okay, there we go. Okay, Well, this doesn't even go fast. I mean, it goes kind of fast. Kinda. Ooh. 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 It's called skills. No, it's not. It's not skills. It's not skills. Okay. So yeah. Guys, I just remembered something. So my friend's gonna make a YouTube channel, so I'll shout his YouTube channel out once he makes it. So yeah. Cause like he was like, I wanna like I was like, should I was like, I want me to make you a YouTube channel or something like that. I don't remember. But I don't know what I said that made him start it, and then like we were working on it. We worked on some videos for him, like set up some videos so like he wouldn't be like me that I upload like once every week, which is not bad because like most people it takes them like a month to upload or something, which is way better, like not as good on their channel, but like they probably get lots of views, and I don't get lots of views, so that's why I don't upload really. So, well, it's not the views, it's just that I what's it called, okay, I'm gonna stop. I always say this, okay, I'm gonna die. Okay, so who cares? Yeah, I really don't know why we don't have the volume, but yeah, I just really want to buy all boards. I mean, we should probably do it now that we have all the stuff. Like, I don't know how, but I found this hacked version. It's just the app the app I got. Like somehow, like I tried to download stuff from there. I was like, and then I downloaded it and it was hacked. So that's how I found out like most of the games are hacked. Okay, so I'm buying every single one. Every single one. Okay, how many keys am I down to? We got quite a lot. Ooh, gotta buy that. What do I have to? No. The speeder hoverboard. We gotta buy this one, this one, and then this one. Okay, okay, so I officially bought most of the boards. I mumbled a little. Okay. Okay. So I do quite get keys though. Yeah, I'm gonna use this. Let's see what happens. Wow. Okay, so yeah. So this wasn't like a game video. I was just showing, like, talking about stuff, and then like, yeah. After this, I'll end the video. Because I also have to do another video for tomorrow. By the time this gets uploaded, the next day, there's gonna be another video. Well, I might upload this together to the other video, like I said, because how to get the app I showed you. So yeah, that's bruh. I just missed the egg. Oh gosh. Oh. Bruh, I ran into the post. But whatever. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I'll maybe upload later or something. Well, not later, but sometimes. And also tell me what character should I use, and like what board, because I already have all of them. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. And so see you guys in the next video. Bye.